Is your DJI Mimo app running slow or acting glitchy on your phone? Clearing the app cache can quickly fix issues like lag, connection problems, or crashes. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache of the DJI Mimo app on iPhone and Android. So let's begin. On iPhone, open up the settings, then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the DJI Mimo app. If you don't find the DJI Mimo app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on DJI Mimo. Then tap Offload, and again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. On Android, press and hold on the app from the home screen. Then tap on the eye icon or app info. Next, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. That's how you can clear the cache of the DJI Mimo app on your iPhone or Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.